Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using this platform. Paxful is a peer-to-peer marketplace for buying and selling Bitcoin. Think of it like eBay, but for cryptocurrency. It connects buyers and sellers directly, facilitating transactions through a secure escrow system. This means Paxful holds the Bitcoin until both parties fulfill their end of the deal, offering a layer of protection against scams. One of Paxful's key features is the sheer variety of payment methods available. You can buy Bitcoin with everything from gift cards and bank transfers to online payment systems and even cash deposits. This flexibility makes it a popular choice for users in regions with limited access to traditional financial services. However, this diverse range of payment options also introduces some risk. It's crucial to carefully vet potential trading partners and stick to reputable users with established transaction histories. Paxful offers tools to help you do this, including user ratings and feedback systems. Before you jump in, it's important to understand the fees involved. These can vary depending on the payment method and the specific seller you choose to trade with. Always check the terms and conditions of each offer before proceeding. Paxful also offers a wallet service, allowing you to store your Bitcoin directly on the platform. While convenient, it's generally recommended to store your cryptocurrency in a personal wallet for greater security and control. Overall, Paxful provides a unique and accessible entry point into the world of Bitcoin. Its vast network of users and diverse payment options make it a viable option, especially for those who might find traditional exchanges limiting. Just remember to exercise caution, research thoroughly, and prioritize secure practices to ensure a smooth and safe trading experience. Finally, while Paxful offers a mobile app, it's generally better to conduct transactions on a desktop computer for enhanced security and a clearer overview of the platform's features. So, if you're looking for a flexible way to buy and sell Bitcoin, Paxful is worth considering. Just remember to do your due diligence and stay safe.